that's what they call me. Promise that you never be alone.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my friend Bree. Hello. Okay, so today we are going to make pineapple drinks. Now these pineapple drinks, you can make them for any special occasion. Tonight we're just having a friend's night. So like it'd be great for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, any type of event, anything you'd like to do at a barbecue, whatever, just hanging out with friends. So let's go ahead and get started. So it looks like we got our pineapples. We have some strawberries and blueberries. We bought some chocolate, some dulce fruta. Basically, Bree's gonna warm this up for me. And then get that ready. And then I bought the sliced pineapples. Of course, you could cut your own fresh sliced pineapples. You do not have to use this because we got a whole pineapple here. I had here the mango pineapple colada. And then I got strawberry banana. Bree loves body armor, so she's gonna put some body armor in hers. I love pineapple orange juice, so I'm gonna put some pineapple orange juice in mine. And we're gonna go ahead and get started. So they actually do have a nice little fancy pineapple cutter that you can use to kind of like get the middle cork out. But I didn't buy me one of those. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it at home without one of those fancy little tools. Okay, so first you're gonna cut the top off the pineapple, like so. And then we're just gonna take and carve out the inside. I'm gonna move this back over here so you guys can see good. And you want to make sure when you're cutting, you don't hit the edges. You don't want to like poke a hole through. So we're just going to try to get as deep as we can and stay as close away from that inside, the hard protector part, the shell. And then take the knife and kind of go to a little slant because you're going to want to pop that out. And you want to go as deep as you can, but again, you don't want to pierce the bottom, so be very careful not to go to the bottom. I love pineapple. Hope you guys do too. Now these, I'm going to take these and I'm going to add them to water. Bree, you got like a little bowl or something I can put in the pot? I'm going to add that to the water. All right, so I'm going to take this pineapple and top and I'm going to follow the directions that I found on Google about how to plant your pineapple top. Pretty much from what I see is you're going to kind of cut all that top piece off and you're going to peel the first couple leaves off of it, and then you soak that for a couple days till it grows roots, and then you bury it. So right now we're continuing to cut the inside of the pineapple out, and you don't want to cut too deep, remember, because you don't want to cut the bottom. So it's nothing to it. It's just take patience and be very cautious of a sharp knife. Hey guys, we're back. So we done carved all the inside of the pineapple, and I showed you guys how to do so. And that's what this one looks like. So, and Bree got that chocolate done for us, so we might as well go ahead and get started on these strawberries to get dipped. I have here in the Ziploc bag just some sticks and straws. Y'all wondering what that is. And then we took the crushed pineapple that we had left over. And we pretty much just put the crushed pineapple there, so we definitely saved that. Ooh, this is a big one. I already rinsed off all the fruit. We're gonna keep it whole or? Yep.
Well, might as well.
Might as well. And then we're going to add the blueberries. Don't wash the blueberries.
I'm gonna wash this. Hopefully, what we putting the chocolate at? Just on?
Supposed to dip it first.
I don't like chocolate like that.
You don't want chocolate? Okay. I like chocolate, so just
I
dip
like
mine.
chocolate.
And Carly likes chocolate. We got you, Carly. So, well, just the big ones then. We'll put on the stick.
This song came out for.
Oh, the pineapple. Can't forget the pineapple.
I don't know.
Woo!
And we got all types
We're
of
gonna-
juice.
Oh, and I love pineapple juice too.
Me too. I like pineapple juice.
So we could just put some of those in triangles or however you want to do
Let's
it.
see how they fit.
And we're definitely gonna put one of these.
Hey.
Just cut one slit and put that on the outside of our pineapple.
Okay, mine down.
What you doing?
One slit.
And do I just put it in?
Yep.
Yummy.
Greedy on the strawberries. They don't even want to hold up.
Okay. Let's
Stick
stick that.
it. Stick it. Make sure it's. Oh, you put the pointy end. Well, you know.
It's good
Yeah,
enough.
like that. There you go. Not too hard. You don't want to stick it too hard to where it's gonna like pierce the bottom, but you know, good enough to where.
Yeah.
Just to where it's in there. So.
That is chocolate.
That's funny.
Now we start.
That's funny. Look.
Don't forget mine.
I know. Oh, look, I'm gonna do yours
You got a
different.
bigger one.
Okay, I'm gonna start with this.
If
Get
it's
some
strawberry,
foundations
I
down.
want some.
So I'm just gonna add some strawberries to our drink. And I hope everybody enjoys this. And please be careful with the knife at home.
Please.
I've been working with a knife for years, so I got this. I got this.
You need another strawberry for big. For this.
Mhm.
I just
Okay,
want to
that's
switch.
I don't want chocolate either, actually. I just kind of got it.
I just want to switch.
So I'm gonna do this smoothie. Just pour it in.
Because it's a dust that goes to that. It's not actually a thing.
And then we gotta throw some blueberries in there.
body armor in mine.
And then we're gonna put a little fresh pineapple in there. I just want a little orange drink in mine. I love pineapple orange. And it looks great. Woo.
What color? I want the green straw. This green is my favorite color.
And I want the pink straw. And just mix it up. And we'll be back for the tasting. Thanks, guys. And then
Clean up.
clean up. And then we're gonna have a drink. Oh, yeah. Hey guys, we're back. We let this chill in the freezer for a little minute, like 30 minutes to be exact. Cleaned up everything. Now we're finna sit here and relax.
Right, it's good. It's really good.
It's really good. Keep in mind, you can mix whatever you want in your smoothie, your daiquiri, your punch, whatever you want to do. we showed you a cute little idea to do it. So thank you for watching. Definitely subscribe, hit that bell so you get notifications whenever I post anything new. And thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely.